Today's recipe is one traditional and popular food we have here in Liberia. It's called cassava soup or cassava leaf soup. Oh, mamma mia. This is so nice. This is so nice. Hello, brothers, sisters, Sierra Leone. So I'm still in Liberia, connecting dots and showcasing our traditional indigenous African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Man, a lot of you guys have been asking, Sindaco, since you're in Liberia, please try this food. And I know myself that this food is very popular over here, and you guys or Liberians love this recipe. So this amazing recipe is from the Kenkema tribe here in Liberia. So we went to the marketplace to get our all ingredients, and today I'll show you how this is done. Cassava leaves, man. If you have cassava in your backyard, try this recipe and man, you love it, Ankasa. It is what it is. So if this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Who can we Sindaco? African food to the world. Man, it is what it is. Let's go it. Man, this one healthy food that you need to try. Right? Okay, you make jam. So this is the cassava leaf seller in Dola, right? Dola market. Dola market.
This is Bonnie. National Fish
International for herring, right?
Herring, yeah. I will fit up for the herring. But Liberia Bonnie.
Bonnie, yeah, Bonnie. Okay. So these are ingredients.
Yeah, for the cassava leaf.
Okay.
This is the
Fior leaf.
This is the cassava leaf.
Okay.
This is the palm oil.
Palm oil, okay.
Yeah, we have dry fish.
Dry fish.
We have fufu.
Okay.
We have dry meat.
Okay.
We have boni,
Okay.
pepper,
Okay.
and onion.
Okay. So I'm told that they have two versions of cassava leaves. Okay, they can do one with different oil, right?
Three.
Three.
We get the red oil.
Okay.
We get the tobacco oil.
Okay.
We get the apple oil.
Okay, so different oil can be done with the cassava leaves. Okay. So to start our cassava leaves, we have our catfish. Break them to pieces and goes inside our pot. So fish. Our pie boil, our pork feet, the ingredients and everything. One thing that I'll be glad about is after watching this video, please try and prepare this recipe at home for yourself and try how Liberian cassava leaves soup tastes like. Okay, you love it. Don't let your cassava leaves behind your garden go waste. You can use it.
Make use of it.
Yeah, make use, Papi.
Make use of it.
Papi, tell them.
Make use of it.
Make use of it.
Those are African dish.
African dish.
African food. They own a product different from the American product.
Yeah, amazing. So don't let your cassava leaves go waste. Please try cassava leaf soup. Amazing.
Yeah.
Or kodo. Exactly. This is the black pepper. Okay, it goes inside on top. Season everything together. So slice our onion inside fish and meat. Okay, we're gonna steam everything together. So we are plugging the leaves from the stem or the branches. Okay, so it goes like that. Yeah, take it off and it goes inside. So this is our leaves. Okay, fairly. Okay, so this goes together with the cassava soup. Amazing, and this is doing the magic.
Yeah.
So wash everything together.
Yeah, wash everything together. I'll beat it slowly first.
I will beat it.
Yeah.
Beat it, beat it, beat it. So we're gonna pound this leaves, fair leaf. So we're taking our fair leaves. So we're now pounding our fair leaves. After pound, we have something like this. This is a true herbal African food inside Liberia. Man, I'm loving it. Man, the aroma coming out from the herbs, the leaves. Man, this truly defines what an indigenous traditional food is. Wow.
Yeah, when you eat coconut, the young coconut,
Okay.
the crocodile inside,
Yeah.
how they feel what it look.
Okay.
When you mix with the potato green,
Okay.
that will fine. You eat it, you enjoy it.
Okay.
It starts from water.
Okay.
That's the water in your stomach. You can kill it.
Okay.
The malaria, wow, all can come down with it.
Okay.
Those are good food. Those are good health.
Okay.
Those are African dish.
Yeah.
Those are expensive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm squishing it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to squish it so that look it.
Okay.
Man, look
This
at
is
the
the liquid. That is liquid looking so.
Yeah.
That the one can take the water on,
Okay.
malaria all in you.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
See the liquid?
Yeah.
And the water that is so.
Yeah.
The water can hammer the water in your stomach.
Yeah.
You see it?
So you have the liquid.
You see a liquid here.
Wow. Man. Damn. This is a herbal food.
Yeah.
This is herbal food. Jesus Christ. Wow. So after squeezing the liquid from the leaves, now add our pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah.
To make it sweet more.
Yeah, the dry pepper and the fresh pepper goes
Yeah,
inside
go
like
together.
that. All goes in the pan them together. Wow.
Okay.
Amazing. Interesting. So we start by pounding the fresh and the dry pepper together with the leaves. Yeah, with the fair leaves. Amazing, man. This is an authentic and herbal traditional food from Liberia. So we have our pepper and everything mixed together, pounded nicely. So this is the cassava leaf. We went to the market today to buy it. They grind it. But is it possible that you have some that should be chopped already, or do you have to grind it to make cassava soup?
Back home, for us, we get peel in the molo.
You beat it.
Yeah.
So you can't just chop it with knife, slice. No, you have to beat it to make it like this. So we're gonna make cassava soup, leaf soup, and this is our cassava. Okay.
Cassava leaf.
Cassava leaf. Okay. You have to wash it.
Yeah.
If I have cassava at home, cassava leaf at home, can I wash it and make it like this and use the whole thing?
You wash it, but you beat it.
Beat it, but so I don't need to see
When you
it.
wash it, before beating it, you wash it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
They use everything like this, the chaff and everything. Oh, okay. So we're about to wash our cassava leaves and it goes inside like that. Man, there's some amazing greens over here, and all what I'm smelling is herbal stuff. I say, on your easy, mamma mia. I say, you see the green over there? Man, I was in northern parts of Ghana, and I tried. In Ghana, you have a place, the cassava leaves. You wash it, then you pound it, and make soup. That's a bolega fafra soup. Wow. See that? See that? Man, this really classify or define us as African, pure African. So after mixing our the cassava leaves, we have it on fire like this. Okay, we're gonna boil it before it comes inside our boiled steamed fish. Okay, cover it. So we're gonna add onions to our pounded fair leaves and the pepper. Okay, we're gonna pound the onions together as well. Pound everything together like this. So we have our boiled cassava leaves. Okay, we're going to add that one to it to boil together. So we're going to add our pounded fair leaves and pepper and onion together so that it boils together. And this is some herbal food from Liberia. So it goes in like that. Wow, I'll sprinkle around. Wow. So the water was squeezed from these leaves. Now the pepper, the leaves itself comes together with the cassava leaf. We go add this together. So now our steamed fish and meat now comes in like this. Wow, man, this is so amazing. Wow, look at that. Man, look at that. This is so beautiful. Wow, some beautiful African food going on display over here. Man, Liberian dish, cassava leaf soup, and then man, look at that, all the greens. Wow, this is cassava leaves. If you have cassava at your backyard, in your garden, man, start preparing a soup like this using the leaves from the cassava, and you never go hungry anymore. No more, papi, no more. So one season going like that. So I just got to understand that leaf that was pounded, that was squeezed, is bitter leaf. Okay, so that liquid, we're not going to use it because it's too bitter. When you add inside the soup, it's gonna be extra bitter. Okay, so you squeeze it out to have that bitterness out, and then you use the leaf. Amazing. And when this is ready, you're gonna eat it with rice. So it's ready like this, almost ready. Small time.
Yeah.
After boiling a while.
Only water dry, put it on.
No, add salt to it. Salt. No salt. Amazing. But now it's kind of changing. Yeah. So, man, the aroma coming in amazing. So before it was really green, but now it's changing. Though it's still green, but then it's changing. So these are cassava leaves. Amazing. Amazing. It is what it is. So after stirring for a while, and now we don't have no water inside the cassava leaves. It's about to add our oil to it. Okay, so this is red oil. Okay, it goes in like that. Amazing. Wow. So 500 ml bottle of water, oil, red oil goes in. So can you do it without oil? You can do it without oil.
You add oil?
No, without oil. Oil. Without oil. Only green. Can you do it? No. Okay. So you can either add this oil or phyto or
on to paint the oil, they get coconut oil.
Coconut oil. Okay.
They get coconut oil.
Okay.
They get red oil, they get agua oil.
Agua oil. Okay. So either coconut oil, red oil, or any oil that you want. I drink or pumpkin oil, you can do this. So now we have our cassava leaves, and it's really like this. Once the oil goes inside, everything is set like that. Amazing. So what she's saying now, that the oil will settle down. Okay. So it's going to be on fire for the oil to settle down before everything comes to a stop. So with banku, rice, yam, cassava, ampesi, everything, eba, everything you can eat with this. So we have our cassava leaves soup, and as you can see, man, it's bubbling up over here. Amazingly amazing. For shizzle manizzle, man, this is the definition of African food inside Liberia, and man, it's going down. It's going down. So the cassava is yummy, yeah. It looks yummy, attractive, and our cassava leaves is not ready. Hello, brothers, sisters. Man, we're done with our cassava leaf stew or soup. Okay, and man, Liberia recipe, very popular. And this one of these where they have organic and healthy food over here. Man, you see the process how it was done. Let's take a bite. No long talk. And we have our rice. Wow, amazing. Wow, man, wow, man, like that's that flavor like kuntumbre kind of. Amazing, man, look at that. Oh, mamma mia, this is so nice. Wow, man, doesn't feel like we're eating cassava leaves, like kuntumbre, something green. Man, this is amazing. This is so amazing. Man, I believe from now onwards, you not let go waste your cassava leaves behind your backyard. You prepare something amazing like this. Wow. Wow. Man, this is one healthy food that you need to try. As I'm sweating, I'm enjoying good food. Man, you need to try this amazing recipe from Liberia. Watch the video and prepare yourself some authentic, indigenous, traditional food from Liberia. Cassava leaf soup. We love it. Mommy, too much. Man, I'm enjoying myself. Man, amazing by our standard. Wow. Man, I'm speechless. I have nothing to say. The only thing is I will tell you is that watch this video and prepare yourself some amazing cassava leaf soup at home. And man, you love it. You really love it, and cassava. So if this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, African indigenous traditional food from across Africa, and I mean this is one of it. Amazing. I'm out.